Sanbanana, guys, is it just me or is Vuyokazi being spicy? So Vuyokazi goes and comments on the video that posted the preview of the latest episode that is to come of Izingane Zesthembu. And this is where Umpumelelo is introducing uMacele wakhe to the rest of his siblings. And Vuyokazi goes and comments, is that our wife? With two question marks and two love emojis. I don't know, to other people it might seem innocent, but I'm like, that is a bit spicy. I feel like it's a bit spicy, and I will tell you why. I feel like Uvu, you guys, I feel like she's been hyped up by you guys too much. And I'm saying you guys because you guys love Uvuyo. You guys will defend Uvuyo with the last breath in you. So on TikTok, when they saw this trailer of the video that of the episode that is to come, everyone is just like, Vuyokazi, she's prettier than you, and all of those things, like just basically boosting Vuyokazi. And Vuyokazi, like, she takes time to respond to all of those comments. Now I don't think there's anything wrong with a person like responding to comments, but I do feel like Vuyokazi draws strength to respond in those ways because of the comments that's been said. So for an example, for the fact that people are saying there was this other comment where someone was like, no, we don't want her, we want you. And she's like, yeah, numfanutin. And then another comment that said, oh no, we want you to be number one. Futhi, you more beautiful. Like you win this, Vuyokazi, you much more beautiful. And you comment and she's like, Futhi sengibonile ukuthi ngikhuluma kakhulu. Sengifundile ukuthi ngikhuluma kakhulu. Meaning that like I've learned that I talk too much. So I feel like guys, and this is me, right? Don't come for me because this is my opinion. I feel like Vuyokazi, the reason why she's so loud is because she does believe that she is much more prettier than uMacele. I truly don't think if she didn't think she was prettier than uMacele, she'd have like a loud mouth like this. I feel like she is doing that because people are hyping her up that you are the prettier one, you win this, like you're supposed to be the first wife and all of that. And unfortunately, guys, it's not about beauty. Unfortunately, it's not about beauty. Unfortunately, it's not about what our opinion of Vuyokazi. Umpumelelo is gonna do whatever he wants to do and satisfy his father. But I do feel like it was a bit spicy of Vuyokazi to say, is that our wife? Like, I just feel like, oh, unless she's doing it for vibes of the show. Because I feel like that is low key. It's got undertones of like being disrespectful. I know very much that Vuyokazi already knows the wife because one thing about us girls, we are the best private investigators. So I know very much for sure Ubutu Vuyokazi. Obviously there has been talks about uMacele, and there's no way that there hasn't been someone who has leaked her name or leaked her pictures to Vuyokazi. That I am sure about 100%. So I know Vuyokazi she must have seen her before. So for her to then go and comment and say, is that our wife? Like, that was so unnecessary. I feel like it was so unnecessary. And I foresee a problem here. If Vuyokazi does eventually accept to become wife number two, I don't see Vuyokazi respecting uMacele. I don't even want to lie. Macele looks like a quiet woman. But then again, we learn from Vuyokazi herself. The fact that a woman is quiet doesn't mean ukuthi you can walk all over her. But the way Vuyokazi is so outspoken, and Liana, she does say that she's learned that she talks too much. The first season, she was just like quiet and all of that. And I guess that's why you guys like loved her and still love her. But this season, she's standing up for herself. And I'm just like, Vuyokazi, are you aware that like if you become part of this marriage, that like you're gonna have to, kind of like tone it down a little bit with talking like a lot on these social media streets because I mean you are not just anyone. You are Mpumelela's girlfriend, which means you are newsworthy. Here we are doing videos about you. So yeah, like if you do get married there, you're gonna have to tone it down a little bit because you're gonna bring yourself unwanted publicity. And I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I just feel like Vuyokazi is, I don't want to say better, because I mean, even if she is better, like it's granted, like for the way Umpumelelo played her, because I do believe Umpumelelo played her. He led her on to believe ukuthi she's gonna become umam cool, and she played along to his song. She played along to his song. So I do think maybe it will be granted for her to feel a bit better, but it's not the woman's fault. So I feel like don't throw unnecessary shade to Magdalene. Magdalene didn't do anything ukhethiwe naye. She's the chosen one. She was chosen, and I don't think it's fair for us to throw shade at Magdalene way as she's innocent in all of this and be like, is that our wife? That is like, it's low key disrespectful because we know very well Vuyokazi doesn't want anyone above her. She doesn't want to be umamncane. She wants to be umamkhulu. So when she's saying our wife, like she's kind of making a mockery out of it because she sees that this whole thing as stupidity of the fact that Umpumelelo wants to take someone else as a first wife, and she says she's not gonna be. She's not, if she's not gonna be first wife, she's not gonna stay in the marriage. So Mega City, our wife, Ushukchin. Hey guys, let's respect each other as women. I know it's Genie, it can get like really like feisty and disrespecting one another. If her and Direlo disrespect one another, I pelele napo but matlele as innocent, unless Vuyokazi and Umatlele do have a history or have interacted with one another before. Angaz, but I just don't think it's fair. Tell me what you think about it, guys. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.